you ever found yourself swiping through screens of your games on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, half played, half forgotten, with no idea what's going on in any of them? Well, Apple feels your pain, and for that, it's made the new Apple Games app, arriving in iOS 26. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your tech and gaming hub. Think of it as your gaming command center, aka organizer, aka social hub, aka newsfeed. It's Apple's attempt to take the gaming fever across its ecosystem and turn it into something merged and fun. It's just built like Gaming Center, but make it better. Apple Games brings everything you play together, whether it's from the App Store, Apple Arcade, or even Steam on Mac. The app is smartly divided into 5 tabs, including Home, Arcade, Play Together, Library, and Search. While Arcade and Library do what you'd expect, like keeping your played or downloaded games, the magic lives in Home and Play Together. Home is designed for the modern mobile gamer who lives inside a few evolving titles, like Marvel Snap or Pokemon Go. It tracks updates, events, and even gives one-tap access to your top games. No more hunting for patch notes or missing limited time drops. On the other hand, Play Together is where Apple's on to making solo gaming as a shared experience. Track friends' progress, issue time-based challenges that'll make even crossword puzzles feel competitive. It's a smart move, but its true potential will only unlock if developers buy in. If they do, Apple Games can become the long-missing hub that makes gaming across Apple devices feel connected and finally manageable. Did you find this update useful? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.